When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. And just like our customers, we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is important in gaining your initial and repeat business, and we'll work very hard to earn both. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.